What is up, guys? Mr. Rasmussen here, otherwise known as the Woodbender, because I am the master of all the shop elements, and today I am continuing my pen making series by making pen number 13 out of 27. The 27 pens are all rare or exotic wood species, and so far I am super pumped with how well the collection is coming along. And I am really excited to add today's pen to the collection because today's pen comes from Brazil and is called Pau Amarello. Pau Amarello is Portuguese for yellow wood, and it is sometimes referred to as yellow heart. So far, I've used 4 other woods that come from Brazil. The reason being is that 2/3 of the Amazon is located in Brazil. And if you did not know, the Amazon has a ton of trees in it. It is the largest rainforest in the world, and it's larger than the next 2 largest rainforests combined. At 2.7 million square miles, the Amazon Basin is roughly the size of the 48 contiguous United States and makes up about 40% of the South American continent. Just take a minute to appreciate that fact. The Amazon is about the size of the United States, and it's basically all trees. Just imagine our entire country, from California to New York City, just absolutely covered in a super dense forest, and that's the Amazon. So because of that, the Amazon is home to some 390 billion trees. There's a lot of wood species to choose from, and there's some incredible trees inside, and Pau Amarello is one of them. So just like the other episodes in this series, I will be rating and reviewing this wood based off of 3 categories and giving it an R score. The R score is just the rank I give this pen for where it lands as my favorite pen within my collection. The 3 categories are price, workability, and aesthetics. Starting out with price, for an imported wood, Pau Amarello is moderately priced. A board foot will run between $15 and $20. For price, I give Pau Amarello a 6 out of 10. Moving on to workability, Pau Amarello was quite easy to work with. The wood was easy on my tools, and it was fun to make this pen. The only downside was that while turning and cutting, the wood gave off a strong and unpleasant smell. So for workability, I give Pau Amarello a 6 out of 10. Wrapping it up with aesthetics, this pen is really cool. I think it'll fit really nicely in my collection, and the color is just super bright and clear. The wood accepted the finish really well, and the glassy look of it is really nice. So for aesthetics, I give Yellow Heart a 7.8 out of 10. And now for the R score. This is where I'll rank this pen as to where it falls as my favorite within my collection. This is pen number 13, and I will be ranking Pau Amarello at number 7, ahead of Sapili and behind Kingwood. So with that, this episode is complete. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. Here's all the pen blanks that I still need to turn, so like and follow along and let me know which one you think I should do next.